Hello dear friend. So today we discuss about one of the numerical method. The title is bisection method. Here we consider one example. Find approximate root of the equation x square plus x minus 3 equal to 0 in 1, 2 by using bisection method, calculation up to 2 iterations. So for any polynomial equation, algebraic equation, we can find out the one of the solution by iterative method. One of the method is bisection method. So we solve this one. We consider solution as, we let consider from the polynomial, this is your function fx. So LHS of polynomial मतलब x square plus x minus 3, ये हो गया आपका function. Now we have given an interval 1 and 2. From this we consider smallest value is a and greatest is b. So let we suppose a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2, where this function gives you negative and positive value. And so that we will find f of a, मतलब a 1 है, मतलब f of 1 निकालेंगे. तो f of 1 क्या जाएगा, इसमें x की जगह पे 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. सो दिस इज 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस 3. सो ये आ जाएगा 2 माइनस 3, वैल्यू आ जाएगी -1. सिमिलरली एफ ऑफ बी कैलकुलेट करते हैं, मतलब एफ ऑफ 2 मतलब 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 माइनस 3. सो ये हो जाएगा 4 प्लस 2 माइनस 3, टोटल वैल्यू 6 माइनस 3 मतलब 3. मतलब यहाँ पे देखिए, एक बार ये है फंक्शन निगेटिव वैल्यू दे रहा है, एक बार ये फंक्शन पॉजिटिव वैल्यू दे रहा है. So that we can have f of a is less than 0 and f of b is greater than 0. That is f of 1 is less than 0 in this case and f of 2 is greater than 0. So अगर आपका फंक्शन एक बार निगेटिव एक बार पॉजिटिव वैल्यू देता है, then we can conclude the solution of your function or the polynomial or root of your polynomial lies between these 2 points. मतलब 0 वैल्यू ये दोनों के बीच में. Therefore the root of equation 1 lies in polynomial 1 lies in interval 1 and 2. मतलब ये 1 2 नहीं रहेंगे, लेकिन 1 और 2 के बीच में ये रहेगा. एंड इज obtained by using bisection method. By using bisection method. So this is nothing but your first iteration, or you can say right first approximation. So what first approximation? What is the formula? To find x1, you define a formula as a plus b divided by 2. This is formula for bisection method. And so we substitute a is 1, b is 2 divided by 2. So final value x is to be equal to 1 plus 2, 3, 3 by 2 मतलब 1.5. So this is nothing but the first iteration or by using bisection. Now we have to calculate again. So now if this is a solution, for this value the function should give 0 1, and so that we calculate f of x1 मतलब f of 1.5. So this is 1.5 square plus 1.5 minus 3, 2.25 plus 1.5 minus 3. So this total calculation will be 0.75, which is greater than 0. And so that we will calculate the negative value from the upper side, that is f of 1, which is given negative value, and now f of 1.5, which is given positive value. And therefore we conclude the root of equation 1 lies in interval. Now interval will be 1 to 1.5, मतलब जहाँ पे वो पॉजिटिव आ रहा है तो पॉजिटिव वैल्यू उस नंबर से जो हमने बाइसेक्ट किया उससे रिप्लेस हो रहे इन दैट इंटरवल. एंड इज ऑब्टेन h by using bisection. So this is now second iteration. So in that second iteration, now formula is x2 to be equal to again a plus, now b is replaced by x1, because in this interval b is replaced by x1 divided by 2. So this is 1 plus 1.5 divided by 2. What it means? 2.5 divided by 2 matlab 1.25. Therefore finally value of answer of your question or root of polynomial after 2 iteration x is equal to 1.25. This is the bisection method for which to find solution of algebraic equation or to find one of the root of algebraic polynomial. This is another example we can solve by using bisection method. Find the approximate root of the equation x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0 by using bisection method in between the interval minus 1 to 0. So we write solution as, we consider first the function as LHS of the polynomial. It will be x square minus 2x minus 1. So we assign equation 1. Again let we consider the value of a between the interval as minus 1 and b should be 0. Then we will find f of a, that is f of minus 1. It will be minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. So this is 1 plus 2 minus 1. This will be 3 matlab 2, and f of b is equal to, that is f of 0. This is 0 square minus 2 into 0 minus 1. So this is minus. And so in this case f of a, that is f of minus 1, it is greater than 0 now, and f of b, that is f of 0, it is less than 0. And therefore we can conclude the root of polynomial 1 lies in interval minus 1 to 0 and is obtained by using bisection method as. So we have our first iteration, we conclude that by the formula of bisection method x1 is equal to a plus b upon 2. A is minus 1, b is 0 upon 2. So this is minus 1 upon 2, that is minus 0.5. So value of x1 is minus 0.5. This completes your first iteration. Now next we find f of x1. So this is f of minus 0.5. So this is minus 0.5 bracket square minus 2 into minus 0.5 and minus 1. The total calculation will be, we can simply calculate this and we will get the answer 0.25. And so that we have f of minus 0.5 is greater than 0, and now we consider f of 0 from upper value which is less than 0, so that we conclude the root of equation 1 lies in, now interval changes between minus 0.5 to 0. So here minus 1 is replaced by minus 0.5 and is, now this is about second iteration. So x2 can be obtained as, now here a is replaced by x1. So formula will be x1 plus b divided by 2, and the value will be minus 0.5 plus 0 divided by 2. Answer will be minus 0.25 x2. And so that finally after 2 iteration the approximate solution of your equation or approximate root of your polynomial 1 is to be equal to minus 0.25. So this is the bisection method we can apply for the calculation of one of the approximate root of the algebraic equation or the algebraic one of the approximate root of algebraic polynomial. Sometimes you may ask to perform more than 2 iterations. At that time you have to calculate the certain iterations, and finally we can conclude the answer will be as like this one. Thank you.